Reaching for the sky-building drones the Russian way. The unmanned aerial vehicle market is booming. Russia is a major player in this field. Building drones to Russian standards is crucial for success. This ensures compliance with local regulations. It builds trust with customers. This essay will guide you through the process. We will cover everything from initial design to final production. This is not just about assembling hardware. It's about understanding the complex world of Russian aviation regulations. It's about meticulous planning, rigorous testing, and a commitment to quality. Whether you're building a drone for surveillance, agriculture, or any other purpose, understanding the Russian context is essential. Building a drone is a challenging but rewarding endeavor. By adhering to the highest standards, you can contribute to this exciting and rapidly evolving industry. So let's dive in and explore the intricacies of building a Russian standard drone. Navigating the bureaucracy rules of the Russian drone market. Before you even sketch your drone, you need to understand the rules of the game. Russia has a specific regulatory framework for UAVs. The main regulatory body is the Federal Air Transport Agency, similar to the FAA in the United States. FATA oversees all aspects of drone operation and manufacturing. This includes certification, licensing, and airspace regulations. Familiarize yourself with FATA's requirements for drone design, payload limitations, and operational restrictions. You'll also need to understand the process for obtaining permits for test flights and commercial operations. It's not just about FATA. Other organizations like the Ministry of Defense might have a say, depending on your drone's intended use. Navigating this bureaucratic landscape can be complex. Consulting with legal experts specializing in Russian aviation law is highly recommended. Setting your sights. Defining drone objectives. With a grasp of the regulations, it's time to define your drone's purpose. What do you want it to achieve? Will it be used for surveillance, reconnaissance, cargo delivery, or something else? Clearly defined objectives will guide every subsequent decision, from design specifications to component selection. For instance, a surveillance drone needs high-quality cameras, powerful zoom capabilities, and long flight times. A cargo drone, however, prioritizes payload capacity and stability. Consider the operating environment. Will your drone be flying in harsh weather conditions or over challenging terrain? Factor in these details when outlining your drone's technical specifications, performance goals, and endurance requirements. A well-defined objective is your roadmap to success. Blueprints to reality, the design and development stage. With clear objectives, you can move on to the design phase. This is where your vision takes shape. Engineers and designers will work together, translating your requirements into a tangible blueprint. Software like CAD, or computer-aided design, is essential for creating detailed three-dimensional models. This stage involves aerodynamic simulations to optimize flight performance and stability. Material selection is crucial. Lightweight yet durable materials like carbon fiber are often favored in drone construction. Aluminum is also a popular choice. For a day/night drone, the optical system is paramount. Consider high-resolution cameras with infrared capabilities for nighttime operations. Thermal imaging can also be beneficial. Careful consideration should be given to lens selection, sensor size, and image stabilization technologies. The design phase lays the foundation for your drone's functionality and performance. Building blocks. Sourcing compliant drone components. With a finalized design, it's time to source the components. This step is not just about finding the best price, it's about ensuring all components meet stringent Russian standards. Key components include the flight controller, motors, propellers, batteries, communication systems, and the camera payload. Each component must be sourced from reputable suppliers. Verify they comply with FATA's regulations. Documentation is key. Maintain detailed records of each component's origin, technical specifications, and compliance certificates. Remember that using uncertified components can lead to serious consequences. This includes fines, legal issues, and even grounding your drone. Don't cut corners. Prioritize quality and compliance throughout the sourcing process. Bringing your drone to life prototyping and software. The next step is bringing your design to life with a prototype. This is a crucial stage for identifying and resolving any design flaws or technical issues. The prototype is a working model of your drone, built with the chosen components. Software development happens in tandem with prototyping. This involves programming the flight controller, integrating sensors, and developing the ground control station software. For a day and night drone, the software must seamlessly transition between day and night camera modes. Testing the prototype is an iterative process. Conduct rigorous flight tests in controlled environments. Evaluate the drone's performance, stability, and maneuverability. Gather data on battery life, communication range, and payload capacity. The software should be rigorously tested for bugs and vulnerabilities. User-friendliness is key for the ground control station interface. Putting your drone to the test, calibration, and certification. Once the prototype meets your objectives, it's time for the official testing phase. This involves a series of rigorous evaluations conducted by FATA or a certified testing organization. The tests will assess your drone's airworthiness, flight performance, safety features, and electromagnetic compatibility. Your drone must also undergo environmental testing. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of real-world conditions. This might include temperature extremes, humidity, vibration, and dust. After successful testing, you can apply for the necessary certifications from FATA. Obtaining these certifications is a testament to your drone's quality and compliance with Russian standards. From factory floor to front lines, production and distribution. With certifications in hand, you can move into full-scale production. Establish a manufacturing facility. This should be equipped to handle the assembly, testing, and quality control of your drones. Logistics are crucial. Develop a robust supply chain for your components to ensure a smooth production process. For distribution, you can explore partnerships with established drone suppliers or create your own distribution network. Marketing your Russian standard drone effectively is essential. Highlight its capabilities, compliance with regulations, and quality construction. Target your marketing efforts towards your specific customer base, whether it's government agencies, private companies, or research institutions. Keeping drones in the air: support, maintenance, and improvement. Launching your drone is not the finish line. Providing excellent customer support is essential for building trust and long-term relationships. This includes offering comprehensive user manuals, training programs, and technical assistance. Establish a maintenance schedule for your drones. This ensures they operate at peak performance and remain compliant with safety regulations. Regular inspections, component replacements, and software updates are crucial. Continuously seek feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. The drone industry is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest technologies, regulations, and market trends. This will allow you to refine your drone's design, features, and capabilities over time, ensuring it remains competitive in the ever-evolving Russian drone market.